The wedding on everybody's lips right now. Batangas Governor Hermilando Mandanas has married a lawyer 48 years his junior in an extravagant church wedding in Batangas City. Among the notable attendees of the wedding are President Bongbong Marcos and First Lady Liza Marcos. In his vow to his new wife Angelica Chua Mandanas, the 80-year-old governor said he is ready for a Christian family with her. Mrs. Mandanas promised that she will always listen to her husband.
We are both ready to raise as good Christian the children whom God will give us. And that is really the essence of our union, of our marriage. To have children, to be open to having children, that we would raise in a Christian way.
And if there's one thing I'd ask of you, it is for you to promise to stay for as long as you can so I can grow old.
Sumikat yun yung vow ni Mrs. Mandanas eh. Diba?
Attorney.
Attorney Mandanas. Sabi niya, please
Stay for as long as you
so
can.
I can grow old with you.
Oo, yun. O, diba?
Sikat yung ano na yun.
Ang daming talagang...
True love at its finest.
Oo, hindi at saka ang tawag, kasi this is, di ba, alam mo naman tayo mga Pinoy din yung mga usapin ng pagdating sa edad. Di ba, kasi nakasanayan natin na mas matanda dapat yung lalaki ng ganitong edad lang. Kapag naging mas matanda yung babae, issue yan. Pag mataas ang age gap ng lalaki sa babae, issue din. Ngayon, ngayon nga, parang sinasabi natin, in-normalize natin na, di ba, magmamahal ka kahit anong edad yan. Siyempre, dapat of legal age. Parang ikaw, di ba? Laki ng tanda mo sa akin.
Anong laki? 9 years. Hindi naman 50 years tulad ni Gob.
Baya mo sila.
Sila 3 generations apart. Tayo 1 lang. Millennial ka. Wala man ako inaano sa kanila. Pinag-uusapan natin yung comment mo, tapos kakabigin mo ako ng ganyan. Kung hindi lang
diba? So happy.
Hindi lang Mother's Day na sa Sunday,
Bakit? Ano gagawin mo?
Wala. Bigyan kita ng regalo kasi anib din natin.
Sige. Ayusin mo yan.
Yes po.